In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Adobe Express. Whether you're starting from scratch or adapting a template, we'll walk through a clean, simple workflow so you can build a polished newsletter with confidence. Begin by opening Adobe Express in your browser or the desktop app and signing in. Once you're in the workspace, look for the option to start a new design. It's typically front and center as a button labeled Start New Design. Click that to open a fresh project. This gets you into the creation flow quickly, and it sets up your canvas based on what you choose next. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with categories. Select Document. This tells Adobe Express you're working with print or document style layouts rather than, say, social posts or videos. Documents give you page-based control, which is perfect for newsletters since you'll be arranging text blocks, images, and headings with a clear reading order. Within the Documents section, scroll down until you find the Newsletters category. This is where Adobe Express curates layouts specifically designed for newsletters, so you don't have to wrestle with sizing and structure. You'll notice a range of styles from modern and bold to classic and minimal. Pick a vibe that matches your audience and purpose: internal updates, event highlights, or community news. Next, choose from the sample newsletters on the left side. These samples are fully editable templates, no templates. Hover to preview, skim the layout to ensure it has the sections you need, then select one to load it into your canvas. A thoughtful choice here saves time later because you'll be replacing rather than rebuilding. Now it's time to edit. Click any text to rewrite headlines, summaries, and captions. Keep headlines short and clear, and use subheads to guide the reader. Adjust fonts and sizes to create a visual hierarchy: larger for titles, medium for section headers, smaller for body copy. Swap images by selecting them and choosing a new photo from your library or Adobe stock options. Maintain consistent margins and spacing to keep everything readable. Use your brand colors or pick a simple palette of 2 or 3 hues to avoid clutter. If you need to emphasize key details, use bold for a few words instead of long blocks of heavy type. Zoom in to fine-tune alignment and zoom out to assess overall balance. Check contrast so text is legible over backgrounds, and keep paragraphs short for easier scanning. As you edit, pause to review your layout top to bottom, ensuring the most important information appears early and flows naturally. That's it. With these steps, you've moved from a blank project to a customized newsletter ready for your audience. Keep refining until it feels clear, cohesive, and on brand.